And today guys, this is an unboxing video, and so I don't know what's inside this. I'm so curious about this guys. If you're excited, then make sure to subscribe and like. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I don't know what's inside. I'm so excited, I'm curious. What the heck? Okay, that's better. I know it might be blocking my face, but oh well. Come on. It's kind of hard to remove the wrapping, guys. But why it is so huge? Probably it's something exciting. That's why it might be huge. Okay, I'm gonna throw this an orange wrapper. Get out, you annoying wrapper. Well, guys, see, it's a tent house. Look, and it's a food truck tent. So, whoa, there's a menu too. Okay, I'm gonna read you guys the menu. Okay, see you guys, can you see the menu? See, it's so awesome. Okay, let me read the menu to you. Okay, I'm gonna read the menu to you guys. Menu: taco super lean, veggie taco, mushroom taco, the barbecue burger, cheeseburger, drink soda, and last but not least, pizza, vegetarian pizza, margarita pizza. So I think I'm gonna skip the last one. So I'm so excited to open this. Since it is a tent house, so always when I unbox a tent house, I always need my father's help. So I need my father's help. When is he coming? I was going to unbox this whole amazing food truck thing. Okay, let's start now we're gonna start with the tent house first. Of course, you guys always know that tent house always has poles so that it can hold. And look, guys, there's an awesome cover for the food truck. Look, guys. See, guys, of course you see that the food truck also has a cover. Okay, these are the poles. Okay, we're gonna use them. Hey, get back here, you one. And these are the connectors. Some of you guys are always familiar if you have a tent, but it's already made up. Okay, get it. Okay, it's done. Okay, guys, now you just have to put 4 connectors like this. Oh, some of them are not connected. Oops, never mind. I'll just keep it like this so I don't care. Sorry, guys, I actually don't know how to make a food sound, so I'll just leave this mess. So actually, I remember that I have to place this, but he told me that no. Okay, thank you. Oh, it has to be a long size. Thanks. So guys, it's ready. So I'm gonna see what it feels like inside. Okay, see you guys in there. Hi. So that's all I have for today, guys. I hope you had a smooth watching, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel and turn notification. Hit that bell when I post my videos. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.